to me, and 2020 means 180 years of co-governance, of nohotahi, ki ngā tangata katoa, aha kua kōwai, aha kua nohea, i o tātou whenua, ki Aotearoa.
Bringing everyone together, valuing diversity, the diversity within our community, and to celebrate that. So yeah, that's where it sits for me, and also acknowledging where I come from and remembering that as well, and being able to share that with my tamariki.
Well, 2020 is the start of a new decade, and so for me it's the start of a new beginning for Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. The last 10 years, we have been working hard, planning to get us to this point, so to be here today in 2020 on our whenua, down at the pā, celebrating Waitangi Day, celebrating the day that New Zealand should be all celebrating, is a wonderful thing.